Hello guys, welcome back to Aniq.Uzumaki and it's me your stupid Aniq. Today we are going to review Sound Katana. Yeah, it's very ugly. Just kidding, it was cool and some reason it was swinging. Cool season fixed this. I will not play your Ninja Tycoon. So yeah, make sure you subscribe, like and share. Don't forget to join my Discord, link is in description. So yeah, let's review this. And so the first attack is I don't know to read it, but it was cool. And the second attack is something rich. Oh no! Every time you review anything, it will be failed. Oh, we escaped because of that. Second, what? What? Why we run? Let's use again. Boom. And I really like the second one. So yeah, that's it for review. Make sure you subscribe, like and share. Join my Discord. And make sure you subscribe because we are so close to 100 sub. Bye.